Hello, welcome to Help in Learning platform. Today topic of discussion is United Nations Security Council. It revolves around 4 points of discussion. They are basic idea about UNSC, that is United Nations Security Council, and who are the members of the United Nations Security Council or the composition of the members of the United Nations Security Council, and what are India's demand regarding the United Nations Security Council and reforms and resolutions of the United Nations Security Council. Coming to basic idea, what is UNSC? UNSC is one of the six principal organs of UN. It promotes international peace and security through authorization of military actions and peacekeeping missions. It recommends Secretary General and new member countries which are ready to join United Nations. Coming to members, UNSC consists of 15 members, 5 permanent members and 10 non-permanent members. The 5 permanent members are USA, UK, France, China, Russia. Coming to the term of non-permanent members. The term of non-permanent members is 2 years. And the membership of non-permanent members is based on regions. That is from Africa and Asia, 5 members are elected, whereas from Eastern Europe, 1 member is elected. From Caribbean and Latin America, 2 members are elected, which makes the count to 8. And the remaining 2 members are elected from the Western Europe and other countries. From the diagram, you can see that Equatorial Guinea, Ivory Coast, Ethiopia are African countries, and the 2 Asian countries are Kuwait and Kazakhstan. Bolivia and Peru are from the region of Latin America and Caribbean countries. Poland, which is a Eastern European country, and Sweden and Netherlands are from the region of Western Europe. And this is the composition of the non-permanent members of United Nations Security Council. And the United Nations Security Council presidency rotates among its members on a monthly basis. Coming to next slide, the method of election. How the non-permanent members are elected. The non-permanent members are elected by General Assembly by a majority of two-thirds present and voting. And coming to next point, what veto power? What is veto power? It is a negative vote that prevents adoption of a proposal even if it has required amount of overall votes which are given by the members. And it is enjoyed by the permanent members of the United Nations Security Council, which are 5 in number. And what are India's demands? India demands for permanent seat in United Nations Security Council, and it is a member of G4. What are the other 3 countries in the G4? They are Germany, Japan, and Brazil. They all of the 4 which are members of G4 demand for a permanent member seat in United Nations Security Council, and India justify its stand by saying that it contributes largest number of troops to the peacekeeping forces, and India is also the second most populous nation. It is also third largest economy in terms of purchasing power parity. It is the largest democracy in the world. It is also a nuclear country, and it is also a founding member of the United Nations. And elaborate discussion regarding India's demand for UNSC permanent membership will be dealt through macro video series in the section of international relations. Coming to what is the term Coffee Club? Coffee Club, which is also known as Uniting for Consensus. It was developed in opposition to the expansionship of permanent seats in the United Nations Security Council. It was headed by Italy initially, and the other important members are South Korea and Pakistan. Coming to next slide and our end of the which is a final slide of the discussion. Reforms and resolutions. UNSC reforms. Expansion, expansionship of members of Security Council, both permanent and non-permanent, is a long-term reform which is pending. And coming to next one is regarding veto power of permanent members. And why there is a lot of discussion around this is that the permanent members are misusing this veto power for their own national interests. And the other important reforms are like regional representation and categories of membership. Finally, final discussion is resolutions. What are important resolutions for preliminary examination are UNSC 1267, Al Qaeda and Taliban Sanction Committee. It designates an organization or a person as a terrorist organization or a terrorist as a terrorist. And coming to UNSC 246, it enforces terror financing laws, or it forces the countries to enforce terror financing acts seriously. Thank you.